So far we have completed the solid systems containing solid, liquid and vapor, and the systems containing solid and liquid. Now we have to discuss the next type of equilibria, that is liquid-liquid equilibria. Today we are going to discuss a small introduction to this type of equilibria, that is liquid-liquid equilibria. Uh, First, binary liquid mixtures, that is liquid mixtures containing two liquids, can be divided into three classes based on their miscibility. We know that they may be completely miscible, like water and ethanol, benzene and toluene, and this miscibility is determined by their nature. If they are, we know that if they are polar substances completely miscible with the polar substance. Polar liquids are completely miscible with the polar liquids, that is water and ethanol. Non-polar liquids are completely miscible with non-polar liquids, that is benzene, toluene. This is a complete miscibility, or they may be partially miscible liquid systems like phenol water, aniline water, or immiscible liquid systems in which one is polar and the other one is non-polar. The liquids will not be miscible. They will be completely immiscible with each other. That is water, chlorobenzene, water, chloroform, etc. Now, partially miscible liquid systems. And we are discussing about partially miscible liquid systems, and take an example. When we add phenol to water, a small quantity of phenol to water, what happens? Look at this picture. When we add small quantity of phenol to water, it will be completely miscible with water, and it will form one phase. And when we are we are continuing the addition of phenol to water, when it becomes a large quantity, they will form two phases. That is what is happening when partially liquids, when one liquid is added to other in the case of partially miscible liquid systems. Two layers are formed. One will be when the large quantity of one liquid is added to other, two layers are formed. Two phases means two layers are formed. One will be a saturated solution of phenol in water, and the other will be a saturated solution of water in phenol. So here two phases are formed. One will be a saturated solution of phenol in water, and the other will be a saturated solution of water in phenol. They are called conjugate solutions. Such solutions which form two phases which are in contact with each other, and one is the saturated solution of other, and the other layer will be a saturated solution of one of the liquids in another and the other liquid. Such a conjugate system can be formed by this partially miscible liquid systems. When two liquid layers coexist in equilibrium in a binary partially miscible liquid system of components A and B, one is a saturated solution of A and in B, and the other will be a saturated solution of B in A. Then the two layers in equilibrium. The two layers in equilibrium are called a conjugate solution. The specificity about the conjugate solutions is that they will have same vapor pressure. Examples of systems which form such conjugate solutions are phenol and water, methanol, cyclohexane. Now, this is all about the conjugate liquid systems. Now we have to discuss the phase diagram of conjugate liquid systems. That is phenol water system. Phenol water systemത്തിന്റെ അങ്ങനെ മൂന്ന് തരത്തിലുള്ള three types of liquid equilibria in partially miscible liquid systems നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പൊ ഇന്ന് ഇത്രയും അറിഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. ലിക്വിഡ് ഇക്വിലിബ്രിയന്റെ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ മാത്രമേ പറയുള്ളൂ. ഹൗ കോൺജുഗേറ്റ് സൊല്യൂഷൻസ് ആർ ഫോംഡ്. കോൺജുഗേറ്റ് സൊല്യൂഷൻസ് ആർ ഫോംഡ് by partially miscible liquid systems and how it is formed. ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമുക്ക് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. താങ്ക് യു.